Yes, ma'am.
So identifier. Any name in the program is identifier which can be used for identifying classes, methods, variables and labels. Okay. So what is the meaning of identifier? It is nothing but a name. Okay. So it is a name in the program. Okay. And what it can be identified by the name. What can be identified by this name? Either a class name or a method name or variable name or labels name. That means it is nothing but it is like user defined word. Okay, user defined word. It is a name. Okay, and it is a name and which can be identified by the user to name the classes, methods, variables and labels. Okay, that is nothing but for classes we are giving the names, right? So that name is nothing but one identifier. Okay, and for methods also we will write some names, method names, and for variables also we will use some names, and for labels also we will use some names. Labels also we have seen in C programming in first year, right? Okay, so any name in the program is identifier. Okay, so any name in the program is identifier which can be used to name, which can be used for identifying classes, methods, variables and labels. So after seeing immediately, we can tell that it is a class name. Okay, and after seeing a method name also, we can tell easily, okay, it is a method name, like that it will be. Okay, so we have some rules. Okay, rules for creation of identifiers. Okay, so by using these rules only we should construct the names. Okay, for example, if we want to construct the class name, we have some rules. Okay, depending on that rules only we should construct the class name. Okay, if we want to write any method name in the program, by using these rules only we should form the method name. Okay, same like this for variables and also for labels. Okay, so one by one we will see the rules. Okay, so what are the rules? See, any identifier is a sequence of characters which is composed by alphabets. Okay, so what is an identifier? It is a sequence of characters. Okay, and how can we write this? It's a combination of alphabets. Okay, which is composed by alphabets. That is uppercase and also lowercase. Okay, A to Z, smaller case A to Z, and also capital case, okay, uppercase A to Z, or digits. Those are nothing but 1 to 9, or currency symbol. So this is nothing but it is currency symbol, okay, or connecting punctuation. That is this symbol. This is nothing but underscore girls, okay, and this is dollar symbol, okay. So other than these two symbols, we should not use any special characters to construct the identifier in Java, okay. So other than these two special characters, okay, what are that? this currency symbol and underscore. Okay, that can be called as connecting punctuation also. Okay, so by using alphabets and currency symbol and connecting punctuation, by using all these three things only, we can construct the identifier. Okay, so what is this identifier? This is nothing but a name. And where we will use this name? To write the class names, method names, variable names, and also label names. Okay, so how to write these names? For each and everything we have separate rules. Okay, so we have to learn that rules. Okay, after learning that rules, depending on that rules, we should construct the names. Okay, so we have some rules to construct identifiers. So what are the rules? What we are learning, just we are learning to construct the identifier. These rules, whatever these 5 points are there now, here, these five points are nothing but how to construct the identifier. Okay, so we have 5 rules. What are the 5 rules? First rule is nothing but it is a combination of alphabets, currency symbol, and connecting punctuation. What is the meaning of connecting punctuation? Normally, generally, we use the symbol. What is that symbol? That is nothing but underscore. Okay. So, first point is that one. Okay. Then what is the second point? No identifier starts with digits. Okay. So, we should not start the identifier with digit. Okay, only with alphabet we should start. Okay, so we should not start an identifier with a digit. Okay, and what is the next rule? We are not allowed to use keywords as identifiers. So we have some keywords in Java. Okay, keywords means what? Predefined words. Okay, already some predefined words will be there in the software. Already it is predefined. Okay, so those are nothing but keywords. So that keywords cannot be used as a identifier. Okay, then the next rule is there is no length limit for Java identifiers. So like in C, in Java, we doesn't have any length limit. Okay, but Sun Microsystems recommends to use up to 15 characters. See here, there is no limitation to use the limit of characters. Okay, till how many characters we want to use, that many characters we can use to name. Okay, we can use in the identifiers. Okay, but Sun Microsystems is recommending to use up to only 15 characters. Just it is recommending, that's all. There is no limitation, but it is recommending. Okay. Then the next rule is Java identifiers are case sensitive. That is, see here. Here, all these 3 numbers are number only. But here in the first word, what is there? Only first character is capital N. Then all the remaining characters are small. Okay. Then in the second word, what is there? Second number, all are smaller case. Okay. Then in the next word, what it is there? All are capital case. Okay. All are capital case. So then in these 3, as though it is meaning is same, but in Java as an identifier, we can use these 3 as different. Okay, that means it is case sensitive. That means capital N is different for Java software and small n is different for Java software. Okay, used as different identifiers within the same program. So within the same program, these 3 can be used as different identifiers. That means these 3 are different for Java. For reading purpose, for us, for the users, it looks like same. These three things will looks like same, but these three things are different for Java software. That is nothing but it is case sensitive.
Yes.
Naming conventions in Java. Okay. So here we are going to learn about how to name the class names, how to name the method names, how to name the variable names. All these things we are going to learn. Okay. So see here one by one. First one, package names are written in lowercase letters. Okay. So till now we didn't see what are packages. Okay. So packages are nothing but predefined library, like library files will be there. Okay. In some folder it will be saved. So what we will do, we will connect that packages to our package. Like how we used to write hash include stdio.h, same like that we will include these packages to our program, our Java program. Okay. So for that, how to write the statement? See, java.lang. So in Java, lang is one folder, but we can call it as a package. Okay. AWT is one package. IO is one package. Swing is one package. Swing means nothing but here it is package. Okay. So package names are written in lowercase letters. So always the package names will be written in lowercase letters only. So here smaller case we should write. That was a mistake. Okay. Okay. Ma'am. So all package names are written in lowercase letters. Okay. Then what is the next one here? Each word of class names and interface names must start with uppercase letters. So interface. So we will deal with this interfaces also in the next chapters. Okay. So interfaces and classes. Okay. Both are names. Okay, for classes we should write some name, and for interface also we should write one name. So these two names, how to construct? Here we have the rule. What is that rule? See, each word of class names and interface names must start with uppercase letters. So only starting letter of the word. Okay, only starting letter of the word should begin with uppercase letter. Okay. So see here, string. So it is nothing but one predefined class. Okay. One predefined, already it is defined in the software. Okay. So, so because it is a class, the first letter is in uppercase. Okay. All the remaining letters are in smaller case. Okay. Lower case. Then data input string. This is also one class. Okay. So see here, it is one word data. So input is one word, stream is one word. So for all these words, the first letter is started with uppercase alphabet. Okay, with uppercase letter, we should begin the word in class. Okay. Action listener, it is nothing but it is an interface, predefined interface. Okay. So see here there are two words. Action is one word and listener is one word. A is in capital case, uppercase, and also L is uppercase, because these two letters are starting letters of the words. Okay, this is about the class and interface. Okay, then method name start with small letter and then each word start with capital. So what is the meaning here? Read line. Okay, read line is one method. So for first word, all are in smaller case only. Okay, all characters are in smaller case. But for second word, the first letter should begin with uppercase. Okay, for example, here we are writing three words to name the method. Then the third word also should begin with uppercase letter. Only the first word should be in smaller case. Okay. Then from the next word onwards, it should begin with uppercase character. Okay. Variable names also. Variable names also follows the above rule 3. Okay. So same rule will be followed for variables also. If we are using only one word, then there is no problem. All should be in smaller case only. But if we are using two words or three words, then from the next word onwards, it should begin with uppercase letter. Okay. Then coming to the next point, constants should be written in capital letters. So when we will declare any constants, then it should be declared with uppercase characters. Okay. All keywords should be written in small case letters. Okay. All keywords should be written in small case letters. So here we have three examples of keywords. Okay, so all these keywords should be written in smaller case only. All the keywords should be written in smaller case. Okay.